I call this love portion or touch and follow, as today's recipe may be. And if you don't love him or her, please don't do this. But if you are in any relationship or you are in any marriage and you want to solidify your marriage, you want to solidify your relationship, do this without wasting time, because it works perfectly, 100% perfectly. And make sure you watch this video to the end, because you are going to learn a very important tips that will help you to forge ahead in that relationship, that will help you for that man or that woman to fall in love with you beyond limitation. Hello viewers all over the world, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Chimamanda Spiritual Tips. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time zone where you are watching me from right now. I hope we all are doing okay today. Thank you so much for stopping by once again. I really appreciate you for being here. And if this is the first time of you coming across this channel or coming in contact with this face, you are highly welcome. I welcome you with an open heart. On this particular channel, it's all about spirituality. We teach, we learn, we study, and we practice on how you can use natural ingredients, natural resources, natural plants, natural herbs, natural roots, natural materials that God has created in order for us to solve our spiritual problem. And if this is your first time of coming in contact with this face, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button by your right hand side down below this video. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will be notified. Like my videos, comment on the comment section. Feel free to ask questions. Feel free to bring in your suggestion. If there is anything you don't understand that I say on here, ask me question, because I am open to communication. And if there is any video you want me to do on here, you can also tell me on the comment section, and I will do it as the Spirit leads. And as you do so, may God bless you. On today's Power Pack information or spiritual recipe or tips, we are going to be talking about how you are going to solidify your relationship, how you will make that man, that woman to love you beyond limitation. But if you don't love him or her, make sure you are not going to do this particular recipe, because I call it touch and follow. Do as I said. It serves as do as I said, or touch and follow. If you don't love that person, if you don't have anything to do with that person, you know that you are just taking advantage of that person. Don't do this because of money. Because after doing this, whoever that you wrote her name or his name on the floor and do this, that person will start loving you beyond limitation. Yes, most people has been complaining in their relationship. They have been heartbroken. That relationship, you have been in it for a long time, for so many years, but to you it seems that the relationship wants to come to an end. Relax, sister, relax. Don't be in a haste. That relationship will never come to an end. As long as you hearken unto the voice of the prophet, as long as you follow me up and do this particular recipe with all your heart, that relationship is going to be solidified. So if you don't love him or her, make sure you don't do this particular recipe, because it has after effect. And don't do it because you want money from the person. Remember, whatsoever you do in the midst of your brothers, God will do it unto you. And the spiritual control the physical realm. Yes, he has given us the power to speak, and it shall come to pass. Remember, to hear is human. Whatsoever you proclaim with this your mouth, that is what is going to come to you. So how are we going to add spice to our relationship to make our man love us beyond limitation, to make our boyfriend to love only me, If you are here and you want your man to love only you, you want your woman to love only you, this particular power part information is for you. Watch this video to an end and make sure you did not miss any bit of it. And if there is anything you don't understand that I said on here, I have said it before, you can chat me up on the comment section. I am open to communication. And as you do so, may God bless you. Before I go in to today's power part information, because we are going to be using 3 materials on this wonderful power part information. 3 materials that we all knows about. The number 1 materials you will be needing on this particular recipe is your bay leaf. This is my bay leaf. We all know what bay leaf is. This is a packet of bay leaf. That is how I used to buy it. But we would be needing 1 single piece of bay leaf like this. Then the second material is your honey. The second material is your honey. Original honey. Honey that's sweet. You know, wherever honey is, you will see an ant there. Yes. Wherever honey is, give it a few minutes. You will see ants gathering that place. Everybody likes sweet things. Everybody wants his or her life to be sweetened. So we are going to use honey to sweeten up that relationship. We are going to use honey to sweeten up that marriage. We are going to use honey to bring back your love life to be alive. So the number 2 material is honey. And number 3 of it all is banana. 1 stick of banana. You see banana? Everything here are sweet. Banana is sweet. Honey is sweet. And you know the spiritual power part of bay leaf. You know the spiritual information of bay leaf. How bay leaf works. Bay leaf make every of our requests to be answered very fast. Yes. We can harness the frequencies and the vibration from this particular leaf, and we will use it to return our love to normal. I call it touch and follow. But before I go into today's recipe to tell you how and what you are going to do and how it is going to be, I would like to introduce myself. For those of you who are just coming on here for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima Prince Mata. I am the bona fide finder of Chima Mata Spiritual Tips, where we cure all kinds of spiritual problems and all kinds of afflictions of the devil. And we also have our materials for sale. We help people who has family problem to liberate their families. And we help people that things are not working fine for them. We have our materials that you can use and things will start working fine for you. Number 1 material is that we have road opening soap. Our road opening soap. Yes, if things are not working for you, wherever you go, you receive disappointment. All the road is closed. The road of your income is closed. Your business is closed. Don't hesitate to order for your road opening soap. We also have favor soap. In case you have not been receiving favor from people and you want to be receiving favor, we have favor soap. We have back to sender soap. Yes, back to sender soap. Back to sender soap. Yes, we have anti-witchcraft soap, and also we have crowd pulling soap, love and affectional soap, and the Equable Plus Detox. And we are also here to help you with your spiritual problem. If there is anything that has been disturbing you or that has been worrying you for many years now, and you have done so many things to make sure you liberate yourself from the spiritual problem, and it still resisting, just don't hesitate to contact me. As my number still remains +234 7088 136610. That is my WhatsApp number. Feel free to contact me if there is anything you want me to do for you. If there is any problem you want us to join our faith together and put an end to that spiritual problem, I am available for you. If you must know, I am a spiritualist and also a herbalist. No matter the problem, no matter how strong that problem might be, just let me know it and let's put an end to it. And God bless you. For those of you who are in abroad, it doesn't take more than 4 days for your order to reach to your doorstep. A lot of people has been ordering my spiritual materials, and there is a lot of testimonies coming out from people that are using it. And I am not the one that doing it. Is of the Lord that does everything. I am just the mouthpiece, a servant, a common servant, a common ordinary man. But the spirit that follows me are the one that is doing it. So all glory should be unto God, not unto me. Thank you for your understanding and for listening to my talks. Now, it is time to let the cat out of the bag. We are ready to go into the spiritual etepete. Yes, on how you will add spices, on how you will bring back your love, on how you will sweeten your relationship, on how you will tighten up your marriage, on how to obtain an extremely love to your relationship. Like I said, number one material is bay leaf. Now, you have to be careful when doing this. You make sure you love the person before you write the person's name on this bay leaf. If it's the person's name, if it's a woman, you can say blessing. If her name is blessing, write blessing on the bay leaf. You are going to write it front and back. Blessing. Whatsoever your fiancé name is, your girlfriend name is, your wife name is, your boyfriend name is, your partner's name is, write it on this bay leaf, front and back. The way I write blessing, is front and back. Now, you get a round plate like this, something like this. Put the bay leaf. You put the bay leaf, then you get your banana. One banana, you cut it into two. If you are doing this for a man, you want the man to love you, you want your husband to love you, you want your partner to love you, you want your partner to come back to you. When doing this, you see, I divide the banana into two. If you are doing it for a man, you have to use the head. You are a woman doing it for a man, you have to use the head. Then you open it like this. You peel off your banana. This is the head. I am a woman doing it for a man, you use the head. I am a man doing it for a woman, you will use the mouth side of it. I am a man. As I am a man, I am doing this for a woman. I use the mouth, the down side. And what am I going to do? I will call blessing's name. Blessing, 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 blessing. I called you 4 times. Wherever you are, blessing. I, Chima, I call you for you to remember me. I call you for you to love me. Starting from this moment, nothing will separate me from you, and nothing will separate you from me. You will never see any man outside. You will only see me, in richer and in poor. No matter what any woman do or any man do, nobody will separate us. In this my marriage, I want this my marriage to come back to normal. Every power that is making my husband to look for side chicks outside, today, as I am placing this banana on top of my husband's name, I, Cynthia, my husband will love me beyond limitation. Blessing, you are going to love Chima beyond limitation, and so shall it be. You will make your prayers, your incantation, your utterances on how you want that relationship to be. Don't mind me, you know, I am not doing this for anybody. It's just for my wife. Yes. So you will make your prayers. After making your prayers, if you are doing it for a woman, you are a man doing it for a woman, don't forget you will use the downside of the banana. You place it on the person's name like this. You see? You have to place it on the person's name. On top of the bay leaf. You place it. You see it. You place it here. On the center of the person's name. Then you bring your honey. You say, honey, nothing is sweeter than honey. This relationship starting from today, Blessing, wherever you are, John, wherever you are, our love will be sweeter like honey. As I pour this honey on top of this banana, let every hatred, let everything causing problem in our relationship end today. And starting from today, you will begin to love me. You look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at it. It's going to be shifting. Don't allow it to shift. Look at this. You see. Now, after doing this, after applying the honey on top of the banana, take it like this gently and speak your mind and command love to reign in between both of you. Starting from these days henceforth, from now to 7 days, Blessing, you will start looking for me. Wherever I am, that is where you are going to be. You will never say no to any of my words to you, and so shall it be. Then, you take this thing like this. Look for a safe place and put it. Keep it there for 7 days. The banana is going to melt down. As the banana is melting, that is how your love is soaking into your partner's life, into your boyfriend's life, into your husband's life for good 7 days. Starting from the day you make this power part information, these spiritual tips, this ritual, starting from the day you make it, you will see a lot will change in your relationship. Does it work? Yes, it does work perfectly. But don't do this to somebody you don't love, because I call it touch and follow. They will start following you. Yes, they will start following you. Don't joke with it. Be serious when it comes to the things of the spirit. I have come to the end of this video. If there is anything you don't understand that I said all here, write me at the comment section and I will give you right direction. And please don't forget to subscribe to the red button right beside your right hand side down below this video. Give me a thumbs up on my videos, share my videos, invite people, invite your friends, but make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn the notification bell to all, and may God bless you. I am going to leave you now. My name still remains Brother Chima Prince Mata, and I am a spiritualist or a herbalist. Please don't hesitate to call on me if there is anything you need me to help you with, and God bless you. Thank you.